Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video today, I hope to share with you a way that you can generate free cash for a charity of your choosing. Now you can choose whatever charity available on these platforms. We at BOC would be very grateful if you chose Belfast Operatic Company as your chosen charity. And I'm going to do that via Amazon Smile and also Give As You Live. And I'll take you through how to set these both up in the next few minutes. So Amazon Smile is really quick and easy, and it operates very similar to Give As You Live in that when you go to purchase an item on Amazon, Amazon will dedicate 0.5% of the price of those items to BOC for free on your behalf. That doesn't cost you anything. This is finance that Amazon is donating by themselves. So the links to these two pages are down below. So all we do when we pull up the Amazon link here is click shopping. Now what you'll need to do here is log in with either your email address or phone number, followed by then your password. So I'm going to sign up my sister here now, so bear with me while I type in the details. And once you've finished entering your details, you're nearly finished. You just need to tick the yes, I understand. Basically what this means is you need to make sure to visit smile.amazon.co.uk from now on instead of just amazon.co.uk. Once you do that, then you can carry on as normal with your purchases and Amazon will donate to your chosen charity. You might on some occasions get the reminder from Amazon to switch to the Smile. Now there's this other platform called Give As You Live, potentially a slightly more powerful platform, seeing as you can basically do the same thing but for a huge number of different companies. So we'll get signed up here. All you need to do is go to this link. Again, the link is in the description. It's the giveasyoulive.com/charity/Belfast Operatic link. So once you click on that, it'll take you to this page here, and all we have to do now is sign up for an account with Give As You Live. So you'll need to fill in your name, your email address, and a password. So again, let me fill in some details here for my sister, and then we'll carry on the process. Now scroll down. Once you've finished typing all information, I'm just going to tick no, don't tell me about emails. And then all we have to do now is click create account and give that a second, and we are now all set up. So normally what we would do is come to this site when we're ready to purchase something. We type in a store like Argos or Viking. There's a number of them scrolling down at the bottom. There's loads of companies that are on this platform. But what I will recommend doing is setting up this Chrome extension. It's basically a little reminder so that when you normally visit something like Domino's and you haven't remembered to go through the Give As You Live, then a little pop-up will appear, and all you have to do is click the button and it'll refresh the page and start earning money for your chosen charity. So again, let's click the Get Donation Reminder, which will basically take us straight to the Google Chrome extensions page. If that button on the page doesn't appear, well, we can just go ahead and Google and Give As You Live Chrome extension there. So all we have to do is click that first link, and that'll take us to the exact same place. So once we have this page loaded, all we need to do now is add it. Now at the minute, I already have it installed. So what I'm going to do is uninstall it first, remove this from Chrome, and then just show you it being installed. So you should see an Add to Chrome button. If we click on that and click Add Extension, give that a second, we should see it pop up on the right hand corner. Look for a heart icon. If it's not there, it's probably because it's hidden, so you'll need to click on the little puzzle icon. Once you see that, that'll list all of the other extensions you have, and there I have Give As You Live. We can hit the little pin button, which will make it visible up on our bar, just because I have other extensions installed. And there we go, we've got the reminder set up. So instead of going to Give As You Live and finding the company you want to search for, let's go for Argos. You can click on the Argos link in the page and it will take you to Argos. Now if you forget to do that and just go straight to Argos, now that we have the extension installed, we should get a reminder pop-up. So let's go to Argos, and there we have a pop-up reminding reminding us that we can raise free cash for your chosen charity, exactly the same way as Amazon does. So all we have to do is click on that and we are ready to go. You can carry on with your purchases. And that's it. Thanks very much for listening. If you have any issues with any of that, please leave comments below and I'll try and help out. If you do choose Belfast Operatic Company as your charity, be rest assured that we are very grateful for that, especially in these difficult times. Listen, thank you very much for joining me, and thanks again.